Aspiring doctors and engineers. Are you ready to turn your aspirations into achievements? Rai Education provides the tools, support, and inspiration you need to make it happen. Enroll today. Admissions now open. The experienced teachers at Rai Education truly make a difference in your learning journey. Our interactive sessions spark curiosity and encourage critical thinking among students. At Rai Education, it's not just about academics. We focus on holistic development, including personality enhancement and extracurricular pursuits. From extra English classes and interview preparation to career guidance, we empower our students to excel in every aspect of their lives. A disciplined and positive learning environment that fosters growth and success. With separate hostel and mess facilities for girls and boys, we prioritize safety and comfort so you can focus solely on your academic journey. Rai Education is more than just an institution, it's a community dedicated to your growth and success. Admissions are now open. Contact us today to begin your path to success.